Trans-Siberian Railway, spanning approximately 9,289 kilometers, 5,772 miles. It is the longest railway line in the world, connecting Moscow with the Russian Far East. Trans-Continental Railway, Australia, stretching over 4,352 kilometers, 2,703 miles. It connects Sydney on the east coast with Perth on the west coast of Australia. Trans-Canada Railway, covering a distance of about 7,821 kilometers, 4,860 miles. It connects the east and west coasts of Canada, providing a scenic journey. Beijing-Guangzhou Railway, extending approximately 2,298 kilometers, 1,428 miles. It is one of the busiest and longest high-speed rail lines in the world. Indian Pacific Railway, running for about 4,352 kilometers, 2,704